Hello and welcome to our channel, and today we'll be painting our front legs on our BMW E34 540. So first I'm going to get the spring compressors and compressor springs. Make sure they're properly clamped to the springs. Otherwise, when you start to do the clamps up, it's going to slip, and if your face is body when it slips, especially when the top's off, obviously when the top's off, and it slips or something, it's just going to be a bad day. So great, give him out of those, and that's that was pretty uneventful, but if the top mate would have been off, I might have gone like that. It would have probably been a bad day. So I know once these are all compressed off, we need to put an Allen head in the top and the open-ended spanner and release the top mount. Just do this really slow because this is a compressed spring. Even though you compressed it, will still be energy there. So do it slow and just be careful, because if it all goes crazy, if it all goes turbo, it can be quite dangerous. But we are scrapping the shock. The shock's no good, so we're just going to get Bertha a big grabber wrench tool, and we're just going to undo the top with a socket and just be done with it. But if you're trying to keep your shocks, you get an Allen key, you get an open-ended spanner, you do it from the top. But we're scrapping the shock anyway. We're only interested in the leg. The spring's no good, so that's why we're going to do it. Now, that's going to do the top of the table.
I am indeed, yeah.
And I'm going to hold the bottom one. And because this also protects the spring from doing any crazy. I'll get down. That's turning on. That's that off. Oh, hello there. So now we've positioned the strut over the step. I'm going to stand on the disc and Dad's going to take off the collar nut. Boom. Oh no, yeah, Dad's going to... I'm just going to stand there. Right down under the collar nut. It might be loose.
Well, it might not.
It might not.
Oh. Wunderbar.
It is flipping up, yeah, it is. Bloody hell.
All that years has been covered in oil, I suppose.
Oh. Oh. And leaving that on 10 minutes.
Yep. PMA, multi-lube. We write that stuff down.
Probably did.
10 hours
After the
later.
last clip, we had some dinner, had a chill. Now tearing back on it, we're going to paint the struts and make them look all nice and clean before we get new shocks. So let's get to it. So now we are cleaning off all the oil from the leg. So we have now stripped the leg back down now. It's pretty much back to bare metal. There's a few little bits here and there, but it's well better than it is, and it's structurally better than it is. It's going to last longer now. Now people might think this is a lot of messing about for a leg that's under a car that's going to get dirty, it's going to get muddied up. But I'll say, if you get these little things right on a car, if you get pride in the bits that nobody sees but you see, when you get on to all the bigger stuff that people do see, it'll give you that extra passion to get everything right. So I would like to get little bits under the car done nice. So MOT time, the car was premiere, it looks nice. When you change anything and it's all nice and painted, it makes the bottom of the car look loved, and it's just nice. It's just, for me, just the way it should be. So now I'm going to red oxide the leg to give it some rust protection. I'm going to leave it overnight to cure, give it another red oxide coat. Then I'm going to decide what colour I'm going to be doing it. I'm still undecided on what suspension I'm going for. It's between Spax and Coney at the minute. Like I said, Bilstein have really weared my patience down with their crappy subpar customer service. Even though we've got Bilstein on TBL, we will not be putting Bilstein on Boudica.
Long angry line later.
Really weared my patience. So now we're going to red oxide it and go on with it. That was coat number 1, a red oxide. We're not going to bore you with the other coat I'm going to do. So the next time you'll see us is when we apply the colour.
24 hours later.
Today is painting day, and we have picked the colour yellow. Yes, I'm going to go for yellow because the shocks that I've gone with are yellow. So the back one will be yellow. I want the front legs to be yellow, so it all match because of my OCD. I'm going to lace a few coats of paint down. I'm going to swap now to time lapse, so you are going to be watching it really slow, and we can fit it all in. It takes a long bit to watch. If you do like these longer style videos, I'm more than willing to do them because we've got a lot of projects coming in the near future. So if you do like these 10 minute, 12, 13 minute videos and you're going to watch them all through and enjoy them, please drop a comment down below because I do like making longer videos because you get more detail in and all that good stuff. But now let's cut to a time lapse. So we've painted them yellow now, wait for them to dry. Then we are going to do the brake heat shields in black for a bit of contrast. Plus it just makes it look all neat. As you can see, we've done another set in Bilstein blue, like I said before. I'm going to put them on now at 546 speed, which has Bilstein suspension on, so that makes sense. And when the suspension comes, a new suspension, a new adjustable suspension comes, which is yellow, it's going to look neat as well on Boudica, which is what we like here. We like everything to be neat, we like everything to be matching, we like everything to be just on it. So now we're going to wait for that to dry, then we're going to paint the brake shields. So we've painted the shields black and we've just got to wait for it to dry now, and they are complete. So let's have a look around. So it's yellow, it looks matte like off yellow in this. It looks like dark yellow, but it is a really nice deep yellow, but the camera just started picking them up. Last month we done these in Bilstein blue and black backing plate. We've done the backing plate the same colour, so it's going to look really awesome. So that's been our first video, our first long plus 10 minute video. If you do like these longer videos, if you find stuff like this interesting, please like and subscribe. And if you've got anything to say about what we've done in this, ask some questions, etc, drop a comment, we're more for that and we'll get back to you. Like I said, if you do like these longer videos, please tell us in some way, or give us a like or subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot of contents like this. We'll be fitting new suspension to Boudica, a BMW E34 540I. We'll be fitting adjustable suspension, so that'll be happening within the next 2 weeks. There'll be a full video on lowering our BMW E34 and the adjustable capabilities of our new suspension. It's not a height adjustment suspension, it's just the shocks are adjustable to make it stiffer or softer, which is quite cool. So we're happy about that. Like I said, if you do like this video, please like, subscribe and comment. But until next time, bye bye.